Like a soaked towel, Madame desires to soak well. Learn how to do it well, like she's under wetness spell. Trust me, it is well with your marriage when you make a wet passage. Make Beku's water flow over Beku's fence, like biblical milk and honey experience. Make her Beku swollen with hope and joy as a token. No pleasurable promise should be broken after Beku's done open. Your marriage is blessed when she's always impressed. Let me teach you how to make Totoyo water overflow. Reach out to me now. Make I upgrade you. Let me upgrade you to something new. Then you will be able to make yourself a pro when it comes to matters of TOTO. Follow me for more.